In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize data with custom fields in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If your CRM ever feels like it's missing the exact details you care about, like a customer tier, preferred product line, or renewal date, custom fields are the way to make Pipedrive fit your workflow. I'll show you where to set them up, how to group and arrange them, and how they show up when you work with your contacts. Start by opening Pipedrive and clicking your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, select Company Settings. If you don't see this option, you may need admin access, so check with your account admin before going further. On the left-hand side, choose Data Fields. This is your control center for customizing the information you track across different entities, such as contacts, organizations, and deals. Here, you can add custom fields that match your process, rather than trying to fit your process into default fields. Use the option to add a new custom field. As you create it, think about the kind of data you want to capture and how your team will enter it. Clear names and short descriptions help everyone use the field correctly. Whenever possible, choose structured inputs like dropdowns or checkboxes to keep entries consistent and easy to report on later. The goal is to make data entry fast, accurate, and unambiguous. Next, create field groups to keep related fields together. For example, you might have a group for renewal details or account notes. Field groups appear as sections within your records, which keeps screens clean and reduces scrolling. When your groups are in place, click Organize Fields to rearrange the order of groups and the fields inside them. Put the most important or frequently used fields near the top, and move niche or occasional fields lower down so your team sees what matters first. Once you've created your custom fields and added them to the right groups, you're ready to use them. Open the entity you targeted, like a contact, and you'll see the new fields right there. You can apply them to existing contacts by editing the record and filling in the values. And when you create new contacts, those fields appear immediately, ready for input. The same applies if you built fields for organizations or deals. They'll show up exactly where you placed them. That's all you need to organize your data with custom fields in Pipedrive. You've learned how to access data fields, create custom fields, group and arrange them, and then use them on your records. With a few thoughtful choices, your CRM becomes clearer, faster, and tailored to your team's needs.